Hey, thanks for tuning into my channel again. I'm making this quick video after coming back from the post office today. We are looking at this early 60s to the late 70s Zippo flint dispensers that came in a set of 12. And I'm making this video, it's furthermore to just to prove to you why collecting vintage old Zippo flints may not be a neat idea. A while back, I managed to secure a good deal for 4 of these display cards, and thankfully for me that 2 of these are still in a nice and clean conditions as shown here. However, as we look at the other 2 that are in not so great condition, this is the reality about lighter flints over a long period of time. Just look at that. The flints that you saw earlier were in better shapes. However, given a bit more time and perhaps in a place where storage wasn't that good, this is what it's going to become. The flints start to disintegrate and form into a mess of metallic powder in which I had no choice but to cut open a slit at the entrance and try to dispense out the remaining flints as best as I could. But look at that, as after it has been opened, everything, all the mess just spilled out of here. And here's how it looks like after years of sitting inside the package. You see, the thing is that these flints, they do not have to sit in a lighter to disintegrate. Just within its sales packing itself, given enough time, this would eventually happen. Same goes with this pack here, and that's all the best that I can do while keeping it as intact as possible within the true packaging. And that sucks. That really sucks though. This is thus why I had not been keen to start collecting Zippo flint dispensers in its original packagings unless the conditions are very good. If not, any dispensers of the older ages should be emptied of all the flints to prevent things like this from happening in times to come. But nonetheless, I still feel that this would be a nice item to add into my Zippo collection, my vintage Zippos collection. Now having added vintage lighter wicks, and now this being a new addition to my old nostalgic inventory here. Alright guys, I guess this is the end of my short video. I hope I have shown you something that is of a different nature and probably learned something from it. As of now guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and have a great one.